In today's competitive coaching world, workshops are a vital tool for showcasing expertise and creating meaningful connections with participants. Yet, too many workshops fall flat, failing to engage or inspire attendees. If you've ever worried about delivering a dull session, you're not alone. The good news? There are proven strategies to transform your workshops into dynamic, interactive experiences that captivate your audience and deliver real value. Enter Creator Pro AI's Workshop Architect program, an innovative solution designed to streamline and enhance the workshop creation process. With cutting-edge features and user-friendly tools, this program is a game-changer for coaches looking to elevate their offerings. Here's why investing in the Workshop Architect program is a smart move for coaches. Save time with streamlined planning. Coaches often juggle multiple responsibilities, from preparing for client sessions to managing their businesses. Workshop planning can be time-consuming, with tasks like defining objectives, creating engaging content, and managing logistics. The Workshop Turbo Builder provides pre-designed templates and prompts to help you define clear objectives, plan interactive sessions, and ensure seamless delivery, all without the stress of starting from scratch. Coaches can quickly develop structured workshop frameworks, set clear goals, and design interactive sessions without the stress of starting from scratch. You can shift your energy back to what truly matters: coaching your clients, nurturing relationships, and focusing on business growth. The time saved allows coaches to focus on what they do best: coaching. Showcase expertise with professional-looking workshops. A well-organized workshop does more than just educate, it demonstrates your ability to plan, communicate, and connect with your audience effectively. Offerings. Here's why investing in the Workshop Architect program is a smart move for coaches. 1. Structured frameworks ensure your content flows logically and aligns with your goals. This means no more scrambling to piece together disjointed ideas or worrying about whether your material will resonate with your audience. Instead, every session you deliver will feel cohesive, well thought out, and tailored to meet your participants' needs. 2. Interactive elements, like hands-on activities and breakout discussions, make your workshops dynamic and memorable. These features not only keep participants engaged but also foster collaboration, making your sessions more memorable and impactful. 3. Minute-by-minute agendas guarantee seamless delivery and time management. This ensures smooth transitions between activities, prevents time overruns, and helps you maintain a professional and composed presence throughout the session. These features enable coaches to stand out by offering value-packed workshops that participants will rave about. When your workshops are well organized, engaging, and impactful, they become powerful tools for setting yourself apart in a competitive market. Increase engagement and participant satisfaction. Workshops succeed when participants are engaged and leave feeling empowered. A disengaged audience not only undermines the effectiveness of your workshop but also reflects poorly on your reputation as a coach. That's why prioritizing engagement is essential, and the Workshop Architect program equips you with the tools to make it happen seamlessly. The Workshop Architect program integrates tools to keep your audience actively involved. Whether it's real-time polls to gather instant feedback, live demonstrations to illustrate key concepts, or group exercises that promote teamwork, these activities ensure that participants remain actively involved throughout the session. Tailored activities not only maintain interest but also create a sense of personal investment in the workshop's outcomes, making the experience more meaningful for everyone involved. Tailored activities not only maintain interest but also create a sense of personal investment in the workshop's outcomes, making the experience more meaningful for everyone involved. 2. Customizable modules, design sessions that align with your audience's needs and interests. No two workshops are the same, and being able to adapt your content ensures that it aligns perfectly with the expectations of your participants. For instance, a business coach might customize modules to focus on specific challenges like time management or team collaboration, while a wellness coach could design sessions emphasizing mindfulness or stress reduction techniques. This flexibility ensures that every workshop feels relevant and valuable to the audience. 3. Interactive strategies, foster collaboration and hands-on learning to ensure participants walk away with actionable insights. For example, a coach specializing in leadership development could create activities where participants solve real-world team challenges, making the content directly applicable to their roles. The emphasis on engagement and satisfaction translates into workshops that participants find enjoyable, empowering, and worth their time. Attendees who feel involved and leave with actionable insights are more likely to share their positive experiences with others, leading to greater word-of-mouth referrals, stronger client retention, and an enhanced reputation for you as a coach. Adapt to any coaching niche. One of the standout features of Creator Pro AI's Workshop Architect is its versatility. Coaches across niches can leverage this tool to craft tailored workshops for their unique audiences. 1. Life coaches develop workshops on personal growth, habit building, or resilience. 2. Business coaches create sessions on leadership, productivity, or team collaboration. 3. Health and wellness coaches plan engaging workshops on stress management, fitness strategies, or mindfulness. No matter your coaching specialty, the workshop architect adapts to your goals and helps you deliver sessions that resonate with your audience. Position yourself as an industry leader. Hosting impactful workshops isn't just about sharing knowledge, it's about building your reputation. A well-executed workshop demonstrates your ability to deliver value and solve problems, establishing you as an authority in your field. With the workshop architect, you can confidently create experiences that set you apart. The program's tools ensure that every aspect of your workshop, from content to delivery, reflects your expertise and commitment to quality. Maximize ROI and client retention. Investing in the Workshop Architect program isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your business growth. Every workshop you deliver has the potential to amplify your revenue, strengthen client relationships, and expand your reach through referrals. By elevating the quality and impact of your workshops, you're not merely covering costs, you're creating pathways to sustain growth and profitability. A well-executed workshop that delivers actionable insights and memorable experiences naturally attracts attention, making it easier to convert participants into paying clients. By providing additional learning opportunities, you demonstrate your commitment to their growth and success, which fosters loyalty and satisfaction. These sessions not only add value to the client relationship but also create a sense of exclusivity, encouraging clients to stay connected to your brand over the long term. Word-of-mouth referrals are incredibly powerful in the coaching industry because they come from a place of trust and personal endorsement. Participants who gain real value are more likely to recommend your services to others. One of the most powerful features of the Workshop Architect program is its ability to help coaches create repeatable, scalable workshop models. Unlike starting from scratch for every new session, the program enables you to save templates and modules that can be easily adapted for different audiences or topics. This streamlined approach not only saves time but also allows you to consistently deliver high-quality workshops without duplicating effort. By saving templates and modules, you can quickly adapt your workshops for different audiences or topics, saving time and effort for future sessions. Workshops are a powerful platform for coaches to engage clients, demonstrate expertise, and drive growth. With Creator Pro AI's Workshop Architect program, you gain access to tools that make planning and executing workshops not just manageable but enjoyable. From saving time to boosting engagement and positioning yourself as a leader, the benefits are undeniable. Invest in the Workshop Architect program today and take your coaching business to new heights. Your clients, and your future self, will thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Invest in the Workshop Architect program today and take your coaching business to new heights.